Because of long years of focusing and experience, SONKA Medical is the largest manufacturer of health screening solution system. So far, we have cooperated with many customers across the world. Especially, we have cooperated with some projects of the Ministry of Health of some countries, such as Kazakhstan and Thailand. So our system has been proved to be reliable and stable and have won good reputation for both of us and our customer. Today, we are going to keep developing health screening solution for our customers. And in future, we look forward to your cooperation. Thank you.